toe corns and foot corns are a nuisance and inconvenience for people across the world. Often, these lumps become painful in addition to their unappealing presence on your skin. Fortunately, we'll explain how to get rid of corn with safe and natural home remedies. I will also give you some background information about a foot callus, the difference between hard and soft corn treatments, and preventative measures to avoid getting foot corns. Number 1. Pineapple. The enzymes found in pineapples are extremely potent, which help dissolve proteins and eliminate the dead skin formed from corn on your feet. Cut off a small piece of pineapple or pineapple peel and place it onto the corn. Use a bandage to secure the pineapple to your foot. Leave the bandage on your foot overnight and remove it the following morning. Wash your feet with soap and cold water and then apply moisturizer to keep the area soft. Repeat this every night until your corns go away. Number 2. Papaya. Papaya is one of the magical fruit that has only benefits to offer. From skin problems to stomach, papaya is the solution to all your woes. In fact, as far as corn removal is concerned, it proves to be one of the most effective home remedies. There are numerous enzymes present in the papaya fruit that rip off the hard layer of dead skin cells on the corns. These enzymes ease the discomfort and pain that accompany corn and calluses. Furthermore, it speeds up the drying process of the corn so that it falls off. Number 3. Castor oil. Castor oil contains natural properties that act as a moisturizer and exfoliator. It rapidly reduces the size of corns until they eventually go away. Use a cotton ball to apply castor oil on your corns directly. Wrap the area with a bandage or medical gauze. Apply castor oil to your feet up to 3 times each day to reduce the appearance and remove painful corns on your feet. Number 4. Soak in warm water. Soaking your hands, feet or elbows in warm water is the first remedy in this list of home remedies for calluses on hand and feet. This is also considered as the simplest method to treat this problem. Your skin becomes softer after being soaked, and dead skin can be removed easily. To apply this remedy, please follow these steps below. You just need to soak your skin with warm water for 10 to 12 minutes to soothe as well as soften the calluses' skin areas. Then gently scrub your hands, feet or elbows with a pumice stone. Number 5. White vinegar. Most of the ointments used to treat foot corns contain acids that burn the dead cells. However, there is a natural counterpart to this as well. Using white vinegar can help achieve the same, but in a natural and less harmful way. It just requires you to dab a cotton ball in some white vinegar and applies it onto the foot corn. Secure the cotton with a bandage and let it stay for over 4 hours. Repeat these steps twice a day for at least a week to get rid of the corns completely. Number 6. Lemon. This is one of the easiest and most doable home remedies on the list. Lemon is known for its beautifying and healing capabilities. You must have heard of the lemon essential oil, that is used all across the globe. For this, grab a lemon and cut it into thin slices. Next, place the slice on the areas of the corns and secure it with a bandage. Wear white cotton socks, and you can doze off to sleep. Number 7. Pumice Stone. A pumice stone is a rock formed from cooled lava. Its abrasive qualities make it the perfect tool for getting dry, dead skin off your feet, which helps the corn to heal faster. To get the best results from using a pumice stone, soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes to soften the hard skin, then gently rub the stone over the affected area for about 5 minutes. When you are done, dry your feet, and then tape a cotton wool ball soaked in castor oil over the area and let it stay there overnight. Number 8. Baking soda. Baking soda helps in the exfoliation of the skin and hence provides great relief from the hard corns on your feet. Not only this, but the antibacterial properties of baking soda are also very useful in preventing any kind of infection due to corns. Make a paste of baking soda and rub it gently over the corns to get relief. Number 9. Onion. The first name to pop up for home remedies for corns on the feet is definitely onion. Onion has antibacterial properties that make it an apartment treatment for calluses and corns. The powerful onion juices reduce pain and discomfort, and lead to the dismissal of the dead skin of the corns. In a glass vessel, pour portions of white vinegar on top of a slice of white onion. Leave the vessel in a warm place in the daytime. Then, use this slice of onion to cover the corn before you go to bed. Make use of bandage to secure the onion slice in one place for comfortable sleep. This treatment will eventually soften the corn area and lead to its peeling. Repeat the process until the corn disappears. Number 10. Pineapple. If you finally have a use for that pineapple peel that you were going to throw away. The rough exterior to this sweet fruit is loaded with enzymes that soften corns and makes them easier to remove. You only need to secure a small, square piece of pineapple peel to your corn overnight and then remove the peel in the morning, wash the area and apply some coconut oil. Repeat this process every day and your corn should be gone within a week depending on how severe it is.